Want to turn your viral dances and hilarious skits into cold, hard cash? Well, gather around the campfire, because we're about to explore the hottest topic on the block: how to get paid on TikTok in 2024. From the creator fund to brand deals, we'll dissect every monetization method so you can build your TikTok empire one viral video at a time. So, grab your phone, unleash your creativity, and prepare to blow up your bank account, TikTok style. Number 1. Master the Creator Fund. This is the OG TikTok monetization method. Reach 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in 30 days, and you're eligible to join the program. The algorithm rewards engaging content, so focus on high-quality videos, consistent posting, and interacting with your audience. Remember, patience is key. Payout depends on views, location, and engagement. Number 2. Go live and get gifted. Live features aren't just for entertainment, they're a treasure trove of virtual gifts. Viewers can shower you with diamonds, convertible to cash, through animations and stickers. Host engaging live sessions, interact with viewers, and show off your talents to maximize those digital diamonds. Number 3. Brand collaborations and sponsorships. Got a niche TikTok audience? Brands are itching to tap into that. Partner with companies relevant to your content and create sponsored videos, product placements, or brand challenges. Negotiate your rates based on your follower count and engagement. Remember, authenticity is key. Only promote brands you genuinely love and use. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Turn your TikTok influence into affiliate income. Promote products you use and love through trackable links in your bio or within videos. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Choose relevant products with high conversion rates and disclose your affiliate partnerships transparently. Number 5. Sell your own products. TikTok can be your ultimate sales platform. Launch your own line of merch like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, or create and sell digital products like printables, templates, or online courses. Utilize TikTok Shop or link to your own website for seamless purchasing. Number 6. TikTok Creator Marketplace. This invite-only program connects creators with brands for sponsored content creation. Apply if you have a strong track record and engaged audience. Once accepted, browse potential partnerships, negotiate rates, and get paid directly for creating brand-specific content. Number 7. Tap into series. This new feature allows creators to build mini-series of related videos within the same tab. Think educational tutorials, cooking shows, or comedy sketches. Brands can sponsor your series, offering lucrative opportunities for long-term collaborations and consistent income. Bonus tip: play the long game, be consistent, and stay authentic. Remember, building a sustainable income on TikTok takes time, effort, and dedication. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content, consistently post, and interact with your audience. Be genuine, stay true to your niche, and build a loyal community who loves your work. So, there you have it. 7 proven ways to get paid on TikTok in 2024. Now it's your turn to unleash your creativity and build a thriving income stream. Remember, the possibilities are endless, so grab your phone, start creating, and get ready to cash in on your TikTok hustle. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.